Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your keyboard exposes Vol+ and Vol or an FN layer that does. If you use Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, verify the system shortcut mapping so the keys register. Once done, make sure the correct playback device is selected and not muted in the system mixer, otherwise keys will change nothing. Press Vol+ briefly to test increment. If nothing happens, proceed to enable key handling in the OS settings. Next, you handle the more complex middle steps. Enable multimedia key handling in your OS settings or device driver so the system recognizes the presses. If keys are absent, map shortcuts with utilities such as Auto Hotkey on Windows, Carabiner Elements on Mac OS, or Xbind keys on Linux, and bind them to increase volume. Use sensible increments, for example 5% per press, or call the System Audio API for precise control. Once mapped, test by holding and tapping to observe steady change. To finish, make your changes persistent and verify behavior across apps. Add your mapping or daemon to startup so the shortcuts survive reboot, and test volume adjustments in a music player, browser, and system sounds to confirm consistency. If you need fine control, use per-app mixers or global hotkeys tied to the Audio API. If keys still do nothing, check for driver issues, reinstall keyboard drivers, disable conflicting utilities, and restart the audio service. That troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.